At age 17, she was rejected from college. At age 25, her mother died from disease. At age 26, she moved to Portugal to teach English. At age 27, she got married. Her husband abused her. Despite this, her daughter was born. At age 28, she got divorced and was diagnosed with severe depression. At age 29, she was a single mother living on welfare. At age 30, she didn't want to be on this earth. But, she directed all her passion into doing the one thing she could do better than anyone else, and that was writing. At age 31, she finally published her first book. At age 35, she had released 4 books, and was named Author of the Year. At age 42, she sold 11 million copies of her new book, on the first day of release. This woman is J.K. Rowling. Remember how she considered worthless and did not want to live anymore at age 30. Today, Harry Potter is a global brand worth more than $15 billion. Never give up. Believe in yourself. Be passionate. Work hard. It's never too late.